All right. Well, hello everybody. Right now I'm down in Custer. I just had a bite to eat. I just sitting here now at a park at a picnic table, and I'm going to the Buffalo trip this evening. But I decided to do my opening clip here because you can hear me. It's quieter than what it will be at the Buffalo trip. It's going to be, loud there. So I decided to do the opening clip here. And I did some live streams today. My plan was ride down to here and go to ride Wildlife Loop Road and come back to here, to this park, and have a break and fill up on gas and everything, and then start a new live stream to go return back to Sturgis. And my live streams, I've had a lot of issues with live streams. I thought I had, when I was preparing for the trip, testing everything out, I had everything working fine, right? And when the trip started, I started having audio issues that weren't there before. Just suddenly it wasn't working. And it took several streams before I finally figured out, got it working. I had to use a different camera. I had to use my Hero 7 instead of the Hero 8. And that seemed to work, doing having the audio, and also the Hero 7, the resolution can only do 720p, the best so that it can do, and it appears that it does just fine at that resolution, as far as video. But then, right when I had that that problem, audio problems, seemingly solved, it's a new problem came up. It's something with the connection. I had got a notification on the phone that said server closed my connection or something, and then another time the Wi-Fi, lost Wi-Fi connection, and it took me a while to figure it out on the way down here, because I was riding down here and suddenly it would cut out, with those notifications, and I finally figured out that it was the plug-in into my power supply for the Starlink. The plug is kind of loose now. It doesn't make a good connection, and the only way I can get to power up the Starlink, I have to actually hold it in. If I let go of it, it's gone. And so now it does not look like I'm going to be able to do any more live streams unless the plug-in starts working. This is the plug right here. That plugs into my power supply that provides power to my Starlink. So yeah, it's just a USB-C, but that plug doesn't work now. Really don't think I can do anything with it to make it work now. So as of now, there's going to be no more live stream from on the bike. And I cannot explain how frustrated I am. I'm just still doing these regular normal videos. And that was going to be an addition, to do the on the bike live. I mean, no one else is doing that live, as far as I know, and like this. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up this video clip, and the next video clip will probably be, it might be at the Buffalo trip, but I think I still have enough time to go ride Wildlife Loop Road right now, and maybe I'll have some video clips along there. But anyways, I will be finishing this video tonight at the Buffalo trip. ZZ Top is going to be performing, and maybe I'll get a few short clips of them from there. Not long, but just to get a little taste of what the Buffalo trip is like. But anyways, I'm going to take and finish up my my drink, and we'll talk to you later. All right, I'm here at the Buffalo trip. It's about almost 7:30, I think, 7:25, something like that. But gonna head into the amphitheater and have an evening at the Buffalo trip. So yeah, well, I'll talk to you later. Honestly, I think there's less people here than years past. I mean, it's not even, normally that's full of tents there, and you have all this open space here too, and I saw some empty RV sites too, and wow. So far it seems like the rally is actually down compared to normal year.
We'll be back in a little bit with round number 2. Number 1, lead the ladies off stage, and thank you to Russ Brown Motorcycle.
All right, I got a couple slices of pizza. They were $5 per slice.
Twisted tea, and of course the Sturgis
and I got
chip, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
7-Up too. But anyway, I'm in the amphitheater. This is where I'm going to be and watch the concert from here. When the concert starts, I'll stand up, you know. But there we go. I'm at the Buffalo Trip in the amphitheater, all set for the night. So I'll show some clips, short clips from the night. But you know, I got to keep them short. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Starting to rain.
I just had a talk with Mother Nature. I said, don't rain on our party tonight. You know who's coming up very shortly. I'm going to give you a turn. Tell me, on the count of 3, who's playing tonight? Go! I didn't say 3. 1, 2, 3, go! ZZ Top is in the house, baby. Woo! I got some, listen, we got to pay the bills right now, okay? We're going to pay the bills right now without our wonderful...
Florida! Her occupation, she's a full-time tease, and her height is 5'5", but her attitude is 6'2". Her measurements are built to disrupt your peace. With blonde hair and baby blue eyes. That is number 1 from Jacksonville, Florida. That is Kimberly. Number 2 from Phoenix, Arizona. This is Cece. Her occupation is your daily dose of sunshine, and her height is exceptionally average. Her measurements are 100% God-given goodies, with golden blonde hair and hazel-colored eyes. That is number 2 from Arizona. That is Cece.
Best party anywhere, the legendary Sturgis Buffalo Chip. On the count of 3, I want to hear motorcycles. I want to hear you people. ZZ Top wants to hear you guys make some noise. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, give it to me, make it go!
All right, I just got back to camp. I just got in my tent. It's about 10 after midnight right now, and it literally rained the whole show. The whole time ZZ Top was performing, but it's awesome that they came out and performed regardless with the rain. I mean, they put on a good show. I'm really glad. I would have preferred not to have the rain, but I gotta say I'm glad that I was there, had that experience at least. But anyways, I'm sick of the rain. But let's see what else I have to do. I'm thinking I'm gonna take, of course I'm gonna wrap up this video now. And something else I was gonna say. Yeah, it's tomorrow. yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to say play tomorrow by ear now too. Of course, live streaming is not an option right now because I don't have a cord to power up the Starlink anymore. So yeah, I'll talk about more about that tomorrow. I'll have more time to process it in my mind and what my plan is. So anyways, yeah, I'm still able to record the rides. I got both cameras, can record them like it did in the past, but I won't be able to post them until like a few months from now because I won't have time to edit once I get home, much time to edit. But yeah, anyways, tomorrow I'm going to be playing it by ear. I don't know what the weather's going to do, but okay, anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.